Today we're gonna brew a massive Imperial Stout. It looks like how it tastes. It tastes like how it looks. It's big, bold, dark. Like all good autocrats, I'm gonna name it after myself. Old Rasputin, here we go.
Hey man, we got some good news.
What's the good news?
You got the good news.
I got the good news.
What's your good news?
I'm gonna brew beer in New Belgium now. Coach said, "You're in, Yates. Get in there. Give it all you got." So yeah, I'm gonna be a real brewer now. Gee whiz, huzzah! So we're gonna celebrate.
Yeah, man.
Brew some fucking party beer.
Make it a goddamn Russian Imperial Stout.
This giant kettle, you get some cool reverb effects down in there.
So yeah, we're brewing a 5-gallon batch in the 20-gallon kettle. We're just brewing in here just because it gives us a ton of space to brew a ton of grains.
Okay, we're gonna do a socially distanced milling of our massive ass grain bill here. So 3, 2, 1, ballet.
How much base pale malt do we have on this?
It's 83% of the grist.
Yeah.
So I rolled with 20 pounds.
20 pounds of pale malt.
Yeah.
That's a lot of pale malt.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Loosely basing it off Old Rasputin.
I like that.
Or Old Rasputin, not Rasputin. So roasty, toasty.
Think about like banana bread, like that texture where it's like dessert almost. That is a lot of grain. It's that sort of boundary between sweet and savory. You know what I'm saying? Like buckwheat pancakes.
Let's mash this brew day in, man. Here we go. Dude, it smells so good already. It hits the water. Wow. Dude, that is dense. Hell yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's a whole lot of malt, dude.
Have to add a little more water, huh?
Usually it'll, once your amylase starts
Yeah.
to thin up.
Yeah, let's just let it roll, see what happens.
All right, we're spurging.
I'm excited. It's been, man, I haven't brewed a big, dark beer in a long time.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited. So, what do we got?
Darkness! That's science. That's what science looks like, Lawson. Hell yeah.
This is like funeral fudge right here. This is...
I'll see you never. On the blackout train to the grave, baby.
It smells so good in here right now. It's kind of unbelievable. Believe it. Okay, so the Russian Imperial Stout. There's a lot of legends and rumors and tall tales around the style of the Russian Imperial Stout. I've heard Vladimir Putin has some sort of, it's sort of like a dialysis machine set up where he kind of gets his blood switched out with various Russian Imperial Stouts. You know, people talk about sort of a blood alcohol content, what that looks like. I've heard Putin actually has like a alcohol blood content that he's shooting for. Again, rumors and hearsay. Just for efficiency's standpoint, we're gonna take the lid from the 10-gallon kettle and just give her a light press. We're just gonna put the manhole cover back on the Ninja Turtle sewer. Oh yeah. That's what's up. Firmly and evenly, and try and squeeze out all the wort from our grain sponge in our giant basket right here.
Somebody's gonna say, you're extracting the tannins.
The last
You can
little.
probably give it a little squeeze too.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little squeeze.
No! Don't squeeze your grain bag. It releases tannins into the wort.
That's been proven to be a brewing myth. I'm a squeezer.
Are you tall enough to get that out? Look at that.
All right, let's brew some beer.
We're good. Good thing we squeezed that, Rossi.
How we sitting?
Just a little above 7.
Okay.
Call it 7.25.
Right on the money.
Since we pressed that out,
Yeah.
got a little bit more wort than anticipated, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
So we could do a 90-minute boil, standard,
Yeah.
like vigorousness, or we could just crank out a 60 and just do a pretty hard boil.
Dude, I think we pop the governor off and crank out a 60.
Yeah, a hard 60.
A hard 60, pal.
Yeah, man, let's ramp it up.
Yeah.
It's not real science here.
We're ballparks, man.
Yeah.
Broad strokes. I'm just putting the hot basket in the brew kettle.
Okay.
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 The big one right here. Is it 2.5 ounces of what, Emmett?
Cluster, baby.
Cluster, baby. Here we go. Adding them to the hot basket.
Ooh, it's gonna smell so good.
Oh yeah.
So
Cameras.
that might be a little too vigorous.
That's going, dude. Wow.
Yeah.
That's the cure for coronavirus.
Just stick your face in boiling
Your face in boiling water. I'll see you never.
So Lawson,
Yeah.
we just dropped the power down to 60%. 100 was a little nuts.
You don't want to boil off 3 gallons.
Right.
Like, yeah.
We want to boil off a little more normal, so.
Does anyone want the other half of this beer?
Ross. I feel like it leads with the booze. You're really
She's a young buck, too.
for real. That's right. It hasn't mellowed. I do think that a year in a big kahuna like this.
Got our 2-minute edition. So ounce of Centennial, ounce of Northern Brewer.
Oh, good to the last hop. Waste not, want not.
One hop in there.
There's a war on. Bring our boys home, all right? Use all the hops in the bag.
I'll kill the heat. What do you think?
We hit that 2 minutes? Okay, water on. Sweet. Oh yeah, there we go.
Cool.
Cooler on down.
I'll get a bucket, some sanitizer, get a fermenter ready.
Don't drop it. Oh yeah, thanks. There you go, teamwork.
Sweet, we're chilled down. Let's transfer this, pitch it, and
Pitch some yeast.
start drinking it sooner than later.
Now you're talking. Goes in. Chocolate, baby.
5.5.
Yeah.
Is it 5.5 exactly?
Oh, dude, we're like on the money,
Oh,
baby.
perfect.
Say
Yeah.
money 5.5.
Perfect. That's what we're shooting for.
Coach said take a knee and no lollygagging on that aeration, okay? You've been dogging it all practice. And if you can't stop chit-chatting with your boyfriend, you're gonna have to take a lap.
We're gonna throw a little yeast nutrient in there as well to,
Give our boys a fighting chance.
yeah.
Lock her back up.
Yeah, buddy.
Put in a little airlock. Fermentation. Temp. Time. Oh yeah. Temp and time. I mean,
I feel like we did it.
I think we did it, dude.
Yeah. We can't touch yet.
Here, give me a. Here, wait. Boom. Sanitary. That's what's up.
I have a buzz.
Yeah, man, me too. I'm loose.
Literally not even half a pint.
It's 10.5%. And it announces itself. So Emmett,
Yeah, man.
I brought my big bottle.
You brought the big boy.
It's not my big bottle.
It's not?
It's my Sweetie Pie's big bottle.
Oh, that's not even your bottle.
It's not even my bottle. This is on loan. I'm not gonna drop it. This was a gift from the homies at Russian River. When they gave it to us, it was full of beer. But I figured, hey, why not rack this awesome beer into this righteous bottle? And I used my nice manners, asked my Sweetie Pie, she said, don't fuck it up, dude. So
Right. We'll just be careful.
So we'll just be careful.
Oh, yeah, I think we're perfect. Oh, yeah, we're perfect. Can we go all the way to the top again?
Nah, you're
No,
right there.
you nailed it. I
Dude,
would say.
they call them claw hammer because they nail that shit. Hell yeah, man. Wow, yeah. This just takes you from zero to hero, baby. This is
So carbonation tabs. How many do you need for that?
40.
40.
What?
Seems like a lot.
Oh, because you got the small ones. I see.
They should give you a Pez dispenser with these little guys here.
I guess most people aren't bottling a 3-liter bottle.
Like, I poured myself a light pint on this, and I am locked and loaded.
Hell yeah, man.
Going anywhere.
Hell yeah, well, we'll lay this down in the cellar for a cold evening when we want to get rowdy and hell at the moon. This is our, like, hey, quarantine's over.
We
Let's
got
fucking
vaccines.
rage.
Let's
Yeah.
go fucking make terrible decisions.
Yeah. I like it. I like it when it's young. I think it's only gonna get better as we lay these down in the cellar and just forget about them.
Yeah, I think that booziness will kind of blend in.
Nice work, guys. I'm proud of you. Once again, you've done it again.
You know?
And that pride is why we do it, Kyle. That's why Emmett and I just siphon a little deeper. Whoa, heyo. We just give, we bottle, we cap for that pride. It's about commitment, heart. Got a lot of heart, got a lot of fire in the belly. Fortitude, trust. Going all state, going all conference. Truth.
And good times.
And good times.